Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Seek from Roblox Doors. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Seek from Roblox Doors, let's begin with the head. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by drawing a circle shape for the head right here. And we're going to leave it open at the bottom. Now inside of here, I'm going to make the eye. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come over. It's going to go down and up, and then back over. I'll draw a little line that's going to come out here, and a little line that's going to come out here. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down and then up to here. Then right inside of here, let's make an oval shape for the pupil. Then we'll add a smaller little oval shape right inside of here for like some reflections. Then I'm just going to add one more little curved line underneath here for some detail. Next, starting here, let's make the neck. So let's draw two lines that are going to come down, and we're kind of bringing them in just a little bit. Right here, let's draw a line that comes out on each side for the shoulders. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down on each side. Now for the hands, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down to a point and then come back up. Go down to a point and up. One more down to a point and then up here. Now for that thumb, we're going to curve it the opposite way, bring it to a point, and then pull it back like this. We'll do the same thing over here for the fingers. Just curve down to a point and up. Down to a point and up. We're going to go down to a point and then bring it up to here. Now for the thumb, we're going to curve the opposite way and then bring it in. Now starting here, I'm going to curve this line back in towards the neck, and we'll do the same thing here. Just curve it in and bring it right up here towards the neck. Now to draw the body, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and in just a little bit. Same thing over here, just down and then in. For the legs, I'm going to make a line that comes out on each side. Then we'll just bring this down here on each side. For the feet, let's draw a line that goes out, and then we're going to come back in. We'll draw another line here that goes down and then back in. And then one more here, down, and then pull it back into here. Do that same thing over here. So we're just going to come out and bring it in. We'll bring it down and pull it in. And then one more here, down, and then bring it in. We're going to come all the way to here. Next, I'm going to bring this up and then into here. The same thing here, we're going to come up and then bring it back in. We're going to bring a line across here. And there you go, there is your drawing of Seek from the Roblox Doors. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.